Good morning, and another beautiful day for you, I hope. I'm still in Malta, and today I'm going to leave the mainland of Malta and go to the second largest island of the Maltese chain, Gozo. So let's get on the bike, find a ferry, go see Gozo Island, see what that's like. Come on. Welcome to a ferry. I'm still in Malta, but I'm leaving the mainland of Malta to go to the second biggest island in this little chain called Gozo, which apparently has some nice beaches, very much more relaxed and quiet than Malta, which is fairly chilled already. So I was quite lucky. I drove here, stopped, had some drink on the way, and just came in time for loading time. So being on a motorbike, I skipped the cars, which is still loading, rode straight to the front, ready for a fast exit on the other side. Now I can chill out. Look at this. What a glorious day. It is so sunny. Gonna have to watch my head. I do have my cap and sunscreen, which I'm liberally coated with. And, it's a big boat. It's a row on row off, so you've got cars and motorbikes on it. And there's seating, and you can obviously come as a passenger as well. But yeah, let's have a quick tour of the boat before we set off and explore Gozo. And on Gozo. At the port just down there, rolled off. It seemed like a 25-minute journey. Really nice, beautiful day for it, so smooth. Rolled off the bike, and as soon as you get on, there's this huge church up on the hill, and you can see another church over there, and you can't see anybody apart from the people coming off the boat. And an aeroplane. Doesn't seem to be anybody here. Maybe this, instead of being the silent city, should be the silent island. Anyway, let's explore. Ooh, and first stop in the capital, Rabat, or Victoria, is the Citadel, which is the big castle, fort on the hill, overlooking the whole of the island. Driven right up the top and parked in the cathedral car park space. That seems okay. Now let's go in and have a look around, see what it's like. I've got a beautiful day. It is so clear and blue and hot. Let's see if we can find our way in. I think there's a way in. there's the church. So there's the cathedral, the ramparts, there's a museum, there's an old prison, a couple of shops, and the rambling streets to wander, and of course the view from the ramparts. So that is the Citadel in the capital. And this is the plaza of the Citadel. And next stop, we shall see. Hey, how are you doing? Now I think my next stop is a beach with a cold drink. Oh, it is toasty hot today. I'm not complaining. I like the dry weather for filming. It's really great. But, look at the size of these walls. Now, I know I promised you we were going to a beach next, and that wasn't exactly the beach. It's called the Blue Hole. Blue Hole it's called. But it's very scenic, very beautiful, and I got a drink. €2 for a small drink. But hey, and they sell great ice creams too. I resisted on the ice cream because I'm now going to try and get us to a beach and hopefully get back on a better road than that one I took. Okay, the camera wants to show you a bit more of the view, so there we go. Enjoy the view. Look how high the sun is. It's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Actually, it's 5:30. And look at that. Quite a few crowds of people still coming down here too. Anyway, next stop, I am going to attempt to take you to a beach. And on our way down to another beach. It's quite a steep hill, parked at the top there. About halfway down. The sun is slowly going behind that cliff over there. So I hope I get down there while it's still sunny. Can't really see what the beach is like, but I'm sure the drone will give us a drone eye view before we go the rest of the way down. Hope you're enjoying the day. It's been great. I should have checked what time the last boat left to go back to the mainland. I think they go quite late because sunset's late here, and I would like to stay for sunset and sit. And there's still so much to see here. I mean, I've seen this amazing, huge cathedral on a hill that I haven't even been to yet. I would like to go there and have a quick look. But anyway, let's hurry up. Let's get that drone in the air. Oh.